To troubleshoot a TD Bank mortgage application, start by reviewing the application status online or through the TD Bank mobile app. Check for any outstanding conditions or required documents that may be causing a delay. If you are unsure about the status, contact TD Bank Mortgage Customer Service for assistance. Next, verify that all required documents have been submitted, including identification, income verification, and credit reports. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date, as errors or omissions can cause delays or even rejection. Check your credit report for any errors or negative marks that may be affecting your mortgage application. You can request a free credit report from the major credit reporting agencies and dispute any errors you find. A good credit score can significantly improve your chances of approval. If you have been pre-approved for a mortgage, review the pre-approval letter to ensure it has not expired. Pre-approvals are typically valid for a limited time, and you may need to reapply if it has expired. Gather all relevant financial documents, including pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. Ensure that you have a stable income and a good debt-to-income ratio, as these are key factors in determining mortgage eligibility. If your application is denied, review the denial letter to understand the reasons for the denial. You can also contact TD Bank to discuss the denial and determine if there are any additional steps you can take to improve your chances of approval. Finally, consider working with a TD Bank mortgage specialist who can guide you through the application process and help you troubleshoot any issues that may arise. They can also provide valuable advice and recommendations to improve your chances of approval. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot your TD Bank mortgage application and increase your chances of a successful outcome. Remember to stay organized, be proactive, and seek help when needed to ensure a smooth and efficient mortgage application process.